What is a butterfly? A butterfly is an insect that belongs to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. They are known for their brightly colored wings, graceful flight, and important role in pollination. Anatomy of a butterfly. A butterfly's body has three main parts. Head, contains the antennae, for sensing, compound eyes, and a proboscis, a long, straw-like mouth used for sucking nectar. Thorax, the middle part where the wings and 6 legs are attached. Abdomen, contains internal organs such as the digestive and reproductive systems. Butterflies also have 4 wings, 2 forewings and 2 hind wings. Scales on their wings, which give them color and patterns. Exoskeleton, hard outer shell. Life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies undergo complete metamorphosis, which includes 4 stages. 1. Egg. Laid on leaves or stems by the female butterfly. Size and shape vary by species. 2. Larva, caterpillar. Hatches from the egg. Focuses on eating leaves and growing rapidly. Sheds its skin several times, molting. 3. Pupa, chrysalis. The caterpillar forms a chrysalis around itself. Inside, it transforms into an adult butterfly. This stage can last from days to months depending on the species and climate. 4. Adult butterfly. Emerges from the chrysalis. After its wings dry and harden, it begins flying. Primary goals: find food and reproduce. What do butterflies eat? Adult butterflies mainly drink nectar from flowers. Some also feed on rotting fruit, tree sap, or animal droppings for minerals. Caterpillars eat plant leaves, usually a specific type known as a host plant, e.g., monarch caterpillars eat milkweed. Butterfly behavior. Flight. Butterflies use flight for travel, mating, and escaping predators. Basking. Many butterflies warm their wings in the sun to increase body temperature. Camouflage and mimicry. Some species mimic leaves or other dangerous animals for protection. Migration. Some butterflies, like the monarch butterfly, migrate thousands of kilometers between breeding and wintering grounds. Where do butterflies live? Found on every continent except Antarctica. Prefer warm environments with access to plants, flowers, and sunlight. Habitats include gardens, forests, grasslands, wetlands, and tropical jungles. Importance of butterflies. Pollinators, help plants reproduce by spreading pollen. Biodiversity indicators, sensitive to environmental changes, so their presence indicates ecosystem health. Food source, caterpillars and butterflies are food for birds, frogs, and other animals. Beauty and education, inspire art, education, and environmental awareness. Threats to butterflies. Habitat loss, due to farming, urbanization. Pesticides and pollution. Climate change. Invasive species that disrupt food chains. How to help butterflies. Plant native flowers and host plants. Avoid pesticides and herbicides. Create butterfly gardens or wildflower meadows. Support conservation organizations. Famous butterfly species. Monarch butterfly, Danaus plexippus, known for long migrations in North America. Swallowtails, large butterflies with tails on their wings. Blue Morphopoleides, bright blue wings, native to Central and South America. Painted lady, found on every continent except Antarctica. Summary. Butterflies are beautiful, delicate insects with fascinating life cycles and vital ecological roles. They symbolize transformation, beauty, and fragility of nature, reminding us of the importance of protecting our environment. Unique and surprising facts about butterflies. 1. They taste with their feet. Butterflies have chemoreceptors on their feet that help them taste and identify the right plants to lay eggs on. When they land on a leaf, they taste it to see if it's good for their caterpillars. 2. Their wings are made of tiny scales. Butterfly wings are covered with microscopic scales arranged like roof tiles. These scales give them their color, often through light reflection and diffraction, not just pigments. 3. Some butterflies are transparent. The glasswing butterfly, Greta, has wings that are almost completely transparent. This helps them camouflage and avoid predators. 4. Butterflies can see ultraviolet light. Unlike humans, butterflies can see ultraviolet, UV, light, which helps them find nectar and identify mates. Some flowers even have UV patterns that are invisible to us but highly visible to butterflies. 5. Monarch butterflies travel thousands of kilometers. Monarchs in North America migrate up to 4,800 kilometers, 3,000 miles, to reach their winter home in Mexico. No single butterfly completes the full journey, it's spread over multiple generations. Butterflies cannot fly when they're cold. Butterflies need a body temperature of at least 27 degrees Celsius 81 degrees Fahrenheit to fly. That's why they are often seen basking in the sun to warm up. 7. Some butterflies drink tears and sweat. Certain tropical butterflies drink tears of reptiles or mammals to get salts and minerals. This behavior is called lacryphagy. 8. They remember the plants they visited. Butterflies have spatial memory, which helps them remember which flowers they've visited. This prevents wasting energy revisiting the same plant. 9. Not all butterflies have bright colors. Some butterflies are dull brown or gray for camouflage. Others mimic dead leaves, snakes, or toxic species to avoid predators. 10. Some caterpillars talk to ants. Certain butterfly species, like the Lycaenidae, form a relationship with ants. Their caterpillars produce vibrations or chemicals to attract ants, which protect them from predators in exchange for sugary secretions. 11. Butterflies sleep, but not like you think. At night or in bad weather, butterflies enter a state called torpor, a temporary rest similar to sleep. They often hang under leaves or in bushes to stay safe. 12. There are around 20,000 species of butterflies. Butterflies live on every continent except Antarctica. Their diversity is greatest in tropical regions, especially rainforests. 13. Some butterflies can fly up to 50 km per hour, 30 miles per hour. While most flutter gently, fast species like the skipper can fly at surprisingly high speeds. 14. Butterflies use the sun as a compass. They use the sun's position and their internal circadian clock to navigate long distances. Monarchs rely on this to complete their complex migration. 15. They are older than dinosaurs. The ancestors of butterflies and moths date back more than 200 million years, possibly before flowers evolved. Myths and legends about butterflies. 1. Butterflies as souls of the dead. Dove origin, Mexico, Ireland, Greece, Philippines. In many cultures, butterflies are believed to be the souls of the dead returning to visit the living. Mexican Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead monarch butterflies arrive in Mexico each year around early November, just in time for this holiday. People believe the butterflies carry the spirits of ancestors. In Irish folklore, white butterflies are thought to carry the souls of deceased children. In the Philippines, a butterfly entering the house means a spirit is visiting. 2. The butterfly and rebirth. Seedling origin, Native American, Japanese, Christian symbolism. The butterfly's transformation from caterpillar to butterfly is often seen as a symbol of rebirth or resurrection. In Christian tradition, it symbolizes Jesus' resurrection. Japanese Shinto belief considers butterflies as messengers of transformation and as a symbol of joy and long life. Cherokee tribes believed butterflies could carry wishes to the Great Spirit. 3. The Aztec goddess and the butterfly. Butterfly origin. Aztec mythology. The Aztecs believed in Itzpapalotl, a fierce warrior goddess known as the obsidian butterfly. She was associated with death, fertility, and rebirth, and was said to rule over paradise for women who died during childbirth and warriors. 4. Butterfly kisses mean true love. Revolving heart's origin, Western folklore. The gentle brushing of eyelashes on someone's cheek is called a butterfly kiss. It's said to represent a pure, innocent form of love, like the light and delicate wings of a butterfly. 5. Butterfly dreams, Zhuangzi's paradox. Milky Way origin, ancient China. The Chinese philosopher Zhuangzi dreamed he was a butterfly, flying freely. But when he woke, he wondered. Am I Zhuangzi who dreamed I was a butterfly, or a butterfly now dreaming I am Zhuangzi? This myth raises questions about reality, identity, and the nature of dreams. 6. Korean legend, lovers reunited as butterflies. Broken heart butterfly origin, Korea. A traditional Korean story tells of two lovers separated by class. After death, their souls were reunited and turned into butterflies, finally free to be together. Butterflies are now seen as a symbol of eternal love in Korean culture. 7. Butterfly as a wish carrier. Wind face origin, Native American. Some tribes believe that if you catch a butterfly, whisper a wish to it, and let it go, it would carry your wish to the Great Spirit. But harming the butterfly was forbidden, your wish would never come true. 8. Butterflies bring good luck or change. Rainbow origin, worldwide. In many cultures, a butterfly landing on you is a sign of good luck or a big change coming. In Japan, a butterfly in the house means a loved one is about to visit, especially if it's white.